Guys, welcome back to your own channel, the AIM Trader. So we can see the analysis of today of Dow Jones and other index and some stocks also. Okay guys, today we can see that yesterday we have discussed and what happened in market I will discuss in later on. Okay guys, today we will see how the analysis will goes for today. Okay guys, this is the our right now the targets. Okay guys, this is the our first target, second target. Okay guys, this is act as a resistance right now. This is third, fourth and fifth. Okay guys, then this is the in downside also these are the target. Okay guys, I will just zoom it out. Okay guys, this is your first target in downwards, second and third and fourth target. Okay guys, I will just shift this line also. Okay guys, this will act as a one of the major supporting areas. These are act as a supporting areas right now. This is also acting as a supporting area. If open a gap down or something, then it will take resistance and came down. Okay guys, we can see next Nasdaq also. In Nasdaq 100 also it is taking right now a support only. Okay guys, right now you can see here, just a second, I will just shift this line, then you got it. Okay, right now it is right now taking a support. Okay guys, what we have to discuss is right now, if it will take once again here support somewhere, then your first target will be here somewhere, second target and third target. Okay guys, these are the three target and this will act as a major resistance area. Okay guys, this will act as major resistance area if it will break and come downside. Okay guys, if it will come downside, then it will take a resistance from here. Then your first target is very small, second target, third and your fourth target. Okay guys, these are the four target. Okay guys, we can see next index Russell 3000 guys. In Russell 3000 also you can see that right now it is taken a resistance, exactly what we have discussed. Okay, I will analysis also do yesterday what we have discussed and how it behave. You can also join my Telegram channel. There I will post some index and some stocks, investment related charts, so you can also join there. You can see that this is the one of the major resistance area right now. This is first target guys, this is second target, this is third and fourth target guys. Okay guys, these are the four target in downside, and upside also I will just shift it out. Okay guys, in upside target these are the upside target. Okay guys, and this is one of the act as a major resistance area. Okay guys, right now we can see next SPX. Okay guys, right now in SPX also you are seeing that it is in the mid range. Okay guys, if it will take once again resistance, then your first target will be this, second target and your final third target. Okay guys, if it will break and come upside somewhere, then you can see this, it will take support, then you can go for your first target, second and third target. Okay guys, we can see in HGX also, I will just shift it out so we get it. So right now it is acting as a supporting. Okay guys, it closed as a supporting area only. Okay guys, nearer to supporting area. If it will open flat or take support from here, you can first target you can easily achieve, second target also achieve, third target you can book second target only, here only you can book your full. Okay guys, if it will take resistance, then you can see that this is acting as a resistance, then your first target will be here, second target, okay guys, third target and fourth target guys. You can see properly, pause this video and you can get it all the target. Okay guys, we can see in right now is Tesla. Okay guys, what we have discussed, this is the one of the major trend lines. So it act as resistance right now, came downside also, right now it is sideways momentum only. So if it will once again test here and goes upside, then your first target will be this, second target and third target. Okay guys, if it open gap down or came from here to downside, then it will take a resistance, then your first target will be somewhere here, second target. Okay guys, these are the two target. Okay guys, in Microsoft also we can discuss, this is acting as a supporting area. You can see that continuously acting as a supporting area. So this is the one of the major trend line what I am seeing here. Okay guys, like this. Okay guys, so right now if it will consolidate, just a second, if it will consolidate somewhere, taken resistance, then it will take support. Then your first target will be this, second target, and we can see further more in upside momentum. It will gives us very nice momentum also in upside. Okay guys, if it will break this trend line, okay guys, if it will act as a resistance, then your first target will be somewhere here, second target will be here, third target guys. These are the three target in downside also. Okay guys, we can see in Apple. Okay guys, right now it is in the major resistance area. Okay guys, you can see here. Okay, so let me discuss. So if this is the one of the major trend line right now, just a second. Okay, this is the trend line. Okay guys, so if it will break this, okay guys, this is the trend line, this one. Okay guys, don't be confused on that. If it will take break this, then your mostly first target will be a second target and third target, and you can go for further fourth target too. Okay guys, in downside also we can discuss, if it will take resistance from somewhere here, your first target will be a second target, and you can achieve your third target too. Okay guys, now we can see the analysis of yesterday, what we have discussed and how it behaved market. Okay guys, so we gonna see the how yesterday what we have done analysis, how market has been done momentum. Okay guys, what we have told you is that it will act as a resistance. Okay guys, it is open slightly gap down, after that it taken resistance, continuously taken resistance from here only. Okay guys, I will just shift this. You can see here continuously taking resistance. Right now it is in the supporting area. Okay guys, we can see next index also in Nasdaq. You can see in Nasdaq also what we have discussed is that it will act as a resistance. You can see that bar has so much bullish in here. You can see that these all three candles look like a bullish. After that you can see that seller take it downside. After that it taken resistance, our first target, and almost second target also achieved. After that it became a reversible. Okay guys, after that you can see here one of the major trend line is here. You can see here this is the trend line. After it broke, you can go up till here, it act as resistance. So it broke resistance, and right now it is acting as a supporting area right now. Okay guys, we can see in Russell 3000 also. You can see in Russell 3000 also how it behaved. Exactly from here only it taken resistance, came down. Okay guys, from here only buyer are so much bullish because this green candle, you can see that. Okay guys, that's why buy taken it from here only. And you can see here one of the major trend line is that this is the one of the major trend line. After breaks, you can go for your first target will is somewhere here, because this is your first swing. After that you can continue, or you can take your profit, or you can sell the call option and put option, because this is wholly a sideways market. You can see that open here and closed here. So this is one of the majorly a sideways market only. Okay guys, we can see next SPX also. You can see that what happened is that open gap down, after that it continuously consolidate. Okay guys, after that here only the buyer has been trying to take it upside, but seller came down. After that buyer are so much dominated. After that this resistance, you can see that first time, this is second time. After the third time buyer will definitely break this resistance and came upside. Okay guys, this is how index behave. Okay guys, right now you can see in housing sector also it open gap down, slowly it goes upside momentum. So what you have to do is you have to short your put, or you have to sell your puts. So you have got very nice target like 420, 435, not 435, 425, like this you have sell. So you have got very nice premium also because of theta decay. Okay guys, we can see next is that. Okay guys, we can see in Tesla. In Tesla also, what we have discussed, it will act as a resistance. If it will act as supporting area, then only we can go. But what happened, you can see that in index also coming downside, so we do not expect that the stock will behave without any news. Okay guys, it also came downside. Okay guys, it came downside and take a momentum downside. After that, you can see here, this is slightly a M pattern within 1 minute. Okay guys, W pattern, sorry guys, M pattern. But what happened is that this is acting as a resistance. However, this is crossed. You can see that single sided momentum has been came. Okay guys, we can see Apple also. Okay guys, now Apple also, what I have told you, it will act as a resistance. You can see here, it act as a resistance. You can see that we have achieved our first target. After that also, we have just slightly below only, we have missed our target. But if you have booked here, you have got very nice target. You can see that continuously right now also it is taking a resistance. Okay guys, in Microsoft also, you can see here, it is acting as supporting area. You can see that taken support goes upside, open gap up, taken support going upside. So this is the major supporting area right now as a in a Microsoft. Okay guys, let's see. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel guys. Hope you like my video. If you have any query, please comment down, so I will do that analysis of any stocks, or you want to trade in small intraday or something in weekly also, so I will post that. You can also check out my forex trade also. I have told that in euro I am so much bullish, and you can see that in forex also euro is booming right now. Okay guys, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, and thank you guys. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel guys, and you have any queries, please comment down guys. I will make specially that video for you guys. Thank you guys.